Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, helas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pamay di magdidilim. Lupanhang araw ng walhang di pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Commemorating the 126th Philippine Independence Day here at the iconic landmark, the Cardiff Castle in the capital city of Wales. Please enjoy watching our cultural presentation and join us in sharing our patriotic duty to our mother country, the Republic of the Philippines. Thank you and a very good morning. Thank you very much.
On several cases next to impossible, especially to our fellow kababayans. He finished his MBA, Masters in Ateneo de Manila University. He then also finished his bachelor's degree in law and master's in law at the University of Law in London, United Kingdom. He is currently taking up his doctorate degree. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Pastor Attorney Lindoven Don Magsimo.
I would like to thank the Summer Lady Associations in the UK, Deputy Lord Mayor of Cardiff, the distinguished guests and respectable guests, and my fellow kababayans. I would like to briefly give you a summary of why we are here today. In the Philippines were colonial rule under the Spain and later on the United States endured for nearly 4 centuries. June 12, as in today, is the real Independence Day. And people ask why we have 2 Independence Day in the Philippines. And I would like to quickly tackle that within my time limit. It wasn't until 1896, though the talk of revolution catalyzed action. It was Andres Bonifacio, a leader of the Katipunan, a brotherhood of anti-Spain revolutionaries, and others to tore up their cedulas or residential permits or certificates for people considered Spanish subjects. They tore up their cedulas, which is symbolically as a break and declared independent.
Cardiff Castle, Wales, United Kingdom. Signed, Mrs. Linda Williams, Isla Woke Chairwoman.
La Union. The area called La Union. Yeah, La Union.
Thank you for having me, Pa. If you know the lyrics to the Whitney Houston song, The Greatest Love of All, please sing along with me. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learn to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all.
Nandun si Jollibee! Nandun si Jollibee ng Independence Day! Ah, Jollibee!
Where is the Asia's Latin city? Come on, say the answer. Zamboanga! And the correct answer is Zamboanga City!
Who was the first president of the Philippines?
Okay, if you know the answer, come on stage! Emilio Aguinaldo. And the correct answer is Emilio Aguinaldo!
Ang mami mo?
Sorry?
Na napakasipag, kita nyo kahit na sunod-sunod yung events ngayon sa London, she tried her best to come here para lang makasama natin sa isang very historic again and very important occasion today. Again, may I present to you our napakasipag, napakabait na Consul General sa Philippine Embassy sa United Kingdom.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po, part of this celebration, for your support and for your dedication to our country's values and aspirations. Together, let us celebrate our heritage, to honor our heroes, and to work towards a brighter future for the Philippines. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang ating kalayaan. Maraming salamat po at isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Bayan ko